It's adjustable.
Oh.
There we go.
That's fucking sweet.
Did you unhook the hook?
Yeah, the plug's in.
No, the hook.
Oh, the hook.
Embarrassed, man. Do you think they see us?
No. Okay, you want to get the other motor running?
Oh.
I'm just gonna hide.
Fuck that. Oh, look, they have a nice top and everything too.
Cocksuckers, eh?
Don't laugh!
We can't afford nice things.
They're looking. I can't see fucking shit, man, at all. Like, oh, there we go. That's better. So we got a fish on.
Oh,
What is it?
it was a stick.
Oh,
Fucking Sherwood.
never fails, eh?
No, never. The fuck is that?
Fuck off.
So easy with the socialites. It was perfect.
She good? Well, how was that there? Did we tie? We didn't even tie that.
No, it was just sitting there. There, I'll fix it.
Is it? Put the gas tank in front of it. Fuck it, eh?
Yeah.
We need that anchor rope.
Oh, she's getting roped.
Yeah.
All right, bud.
Can't see fuck all. We're on.
Oh no.
What is it? No. Oh no.
Oh, they swallowed the horse capacity of them pliers.
Oh, are they up here? Yeah, they are. God damn it. Oh, that's a nice one.
It's a nice rock bass, right?
Oh yeah.
Trophy rock bass.
Fuck yeah. Let's get a nice healthy release.
If I could get the hook out of them.
It's fucking pissing rain, man.
The rain's good for the rock bass bite.
I think we're keeping them. Oh yeah, we'll keep him for sure.
Harvest his flesh. Like good men do.
Yep. Don't let nothing go to waste.
Oh no, traffic. Oh yeah, he'll live.
Oh yeah, he'll live for sure.